Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I want to show you step-by-step guide on how to participate in Naoris Protocol Airdrop testnet that is currently going on. If this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell, comment and share to loved ones to help the channel grow. Now without further ado, let's get into it. So what is Naoris Protocol? Now Naoris Protocol is a novel cybersecurity network that utilizes a mesh-based decentralized validator structure and AI-based risk management. It supplements existing cybersecurity defense system by providing real-time sharing of threat information and intelligence. And this project were able to raise a total amount of 11.5 million naira seed funding that they're actually using to use for this project. So I'm going to put the link in the description below. Click on it and get started on it. As a disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes. Please endeavor to do your own research. Without any further ado, let's get into it. So this is the dashboard. All it needs you to do is to click on this that says connect wallet. And guys, this account is just for tutorial purposes. I've already created mine. I'm just doing this for the sake of people that needs to know and how to go about. That's why this account. So once we are here, all you need to do is to click on it that says connect wallet. So here it is. Click on this Naoris Chrome extension. This ones is for MetaMask. Those people that are using mobile phone. If you are the type that are using mobile phone, you can use MetaMask to carry out the project. And if you're using laptop, you click on Naoris Chrome extension. The same procedure applies. So without any further ado, go about it. So you click on Naoris Chrome because as I'm using laptop, so it's going to require you to download the extension. So you add the extension. So this is the extension being added now. So the extension has successfully added. That's what we see. So once it finished downloading, the next thing is going to show you is this site. Once it's finished, so what you need to do is to create a new wallet. So you click on it and then you accept and then you submit. Now make sure that you copy your seed phrase. It's very important. Make sure you copied your seed phrase. So come here and say copy. So I'm going to copy this one. So I'm going to paste it here and then go back to it and says write down. So it's going to ask you. Now I'm supposed to write the first, the fourth, the eighth, and then the fifth. So I'm going to copy the first one. Here is the first one, pistol. So I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste. Then I'll go and look for the fourth one. Mother is the fourth one here. So I'm going to copy. Paste it, and then I'm going to take the eighth one, which will be camera. So you copy it and then you paste. Then you come and I'm to look for the fifth one. Come here where you saved your seed phrase, and the fifth one here is lion. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it, and then you go down here and then you click confirm. Now it's going to ask you to create a password. So let me just create a random password. Just a random password. But make sure guys you create a password that you will remember. So it's going to ask me here. So I'm going to put my referral and then I'm going to create the wallet. So as we can see, I have successful create wallet. Guys, remember you have two extensions that you are going to download in this. So once you are done with here, you can come up here and then click on it. As you can see it here. So you clicked on it here. So it's going to ask you to put the same password that you created. So I'm going to put it here. And then I'm going to open it. So this is a wallet. I've currently created a wallet. So you go back to the same site here, and then you click on here that says start testnet. Now, since you've installed, the next thing is to click on this that says start testnet. So now you go down here, scroll down, click on connect wallet, click on the same wallet. If you use a mobile phone, click on here, that's the MetaMask. If you use extension, that's laptop, you clicked on here. So it's going to ask you, just click on here that says connect, because you've already logged in. So as we can see, this is the wallet. The next thing is to click on here, the next one that says install protocol browser security node. So you clicked on it. So it's another extension. Remember guys, I tell you when you're going to download 2 extensions. So you clicked on it, add extension. Yeah, so it's been added. Yes, so you see it has already added up. So now what you're going to do here is to go back here to the first one, and then you logged in with you come here, then click here, then this is clicked on it, and so this is it. So currently you've already entered it. So you clicked on your dashboard to take you to the main so as we can see, it's as simple as possible. You are done with the registration. There is nothing else. Currently now you are farming. If you are seeing this, it means you are farming. So you can come here, explore. This is your reward place. That's after your mining. If you're mining, you're going to see how you're able to mine, because it requires you to turn it on. And then this is your referral. Based on the numbers of people you refer, you're going to see them appeared here. And then here is earning. Also, it's going to be showing you based on the uptime that you were able to get, based on your notes that's able to accumulate. Now guys, there's an important fact that I really want to talk about that you guys need to know. Now if you're running different nodes, if you did not turn up, then you come back here, clicked on the note. This place is very important guys. This particular place, make sure that you turn it on. Now why? If you did not turn this on, it's going to affect other mining extension that you are doing, either be it on your laptop or on your phone, because it's going to hinder others from being open. But once you click on turn on protection, it's going to allow you to farm this one and then any other farming that you're actually doing on your, be it on your laptop or be it on your phone. That is the essence why the protection must be this way. So make sure that you turn it off. Is very important, because if not, for example, now let me show you. So let's say I want to, so you see now it's because I've turned it on. If I've left it on, it automatically is going to close. So make sure that you did what I just did here. It's very important, so that you can be able to mine and farm other nodes that you're currently farming on your laptop. And then you have this place where you can either connect with your logged in with your X, and then so let me log in. So you can click on these and then authorize. Once you authorize, you'll be able to do. I don't want to do because I've already done it. So there's no need of me to authorize because I've already created an account with it. So even if I put it, it's going to log me out of it because I've already add another account. Then you're going to claim your points here. It's very important. That is just a simple guide on how to go about Naoris Protocol. Guys, if you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and then share with loved ones so that everybody can get hold and start farming as early as possible. Thank you very much. See you soon.